Covering Wisconsin weather for 20 years, Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
July in September continues. In fact, today was warmer than what we saw on 23 days during this past July. Look for highs in the mid-80s tomorrow, lower to mid-80s on Thursday, and then the weather will start to change. We'll see mid-70s on Friday and then 60s return just in time for the weekend. Right now, we are looking at mainly 80s across most of northeast Wisconsin. It is 82 degrees in Shawano. We've got 81 in Appleton. It is 81 degrees as well in Fond du Lac. Of course, right near Lake Michigan with a gusty southerly wind, we are seeing some cooling off the waters. It's only 68 degrees in Sturgeon Bay. In Green Bay, it has been quiet pretty much all day long. After some early morning showers and thunderstorms across northeast Wisconsin, we've seen pretty much 100% possible sunshine since then. NBC 26 Precision Radar shows quiet conditions across the area, but that'll be changing later on tonight into tomorrow morning. We have an area of showers and thunderstorms now developing across western Wisconsin, southeastern Minnesota, and northeastern Iowa. And this activity is sliding off towards the north and east. In fact, as you take a look at the high-res future radar product, you can see those showers and thunderstorms will continue working east throughout the night into tomorrow morning. It looks like the activity will start to diminish once we get past midnight, but there will still be a chance for a shower or an isolated thunderstorm out there as we head into the early morning hours. This activity is developing in a warm and increasingly unstable air mass between this area of high pressure and this frontal boundary out to the west. Also in between, lots of very warm temperatures, really feeling like the middle of summer out there. 85 was the official high in Green Bay today. We had 86 in Minneapolis, lower to mid-90s across South Dakota down into Nebraska and Kansas. And the heat is going to continue. Tomorrow looks to be almost a carbon copy of what we saw today. A chance for a shower or thunderstorm early, then lots of sunshine and warm with highs getting up into the 80s. Here's what Precision Cast shows as we move through the morning and early afternoon. Sunshine mixing with just a couple of clouds. And once again, a strong south wind at around 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts close to 30 miles per hour at times. So look for another mild night. Overnight lows will only be in the mid-60s. Our normal high is 70. An isolated shower or thunderstorm is possible once we get into the early morning hours. Tomorrow morning, still a slight chance for a lingering shower or storm and then turning mostly sunny. It's going to be windy and warm once again, with temperatures getting back up into the mid-80s. We will see lower to mid-80s on Thursday, sun and clouds, and then a pretty good chance for some showers and thunderstorms as we head into Thursday evening and then Friday morning. That's with a cold front. Behind the cold front Friday afternoon, a mixture of sun and clouds, and then it looks like another system will ride north across Wisconsin Friday night into Saturday morning, giving us the chance for perhaps a soaking rain and maybe an isolated thunderstorm. Cooler weather behind that area of low pressure, highs only in the 60s. The weather right now looks beautiful for both the Fox Cities Marathon Sunday morning and also kickoff at Lambeau Field. We're going to see lots of sunshine. Mostly sunny skies on Monday and Tuesday. Temperatures warm back up. On Tuesday, once again, we could see a few 80s out there ahead of our next weather maker, which is a cold front on Wednesday. That'll trigger a shower or a thunderstorm and then cool us down a little bit as we head towards next weekend. But really, Stacy, almost all of those days are at or above normal for mid to late September.
Yeah, it's a great stretch of weather. We have to enjoy it.
It really is. When you have temperatures this warm, this time of year, they could be the last until next year.
All right, but we thought that last week and the week before, too.
No.
It's holding on.
Yeah, it is.
Well, the Packers take the field to show how diverse Northeast